Abhishek here and back to another video, guys. So, it's CES happening in Las Vegas, and it's a very big event. If you don't know, it's the Consumer Electronics Show held in the Las Vegas Convention Center in obviously Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. It's a very pricey ticket to go there, and yeah, that's why many people don't go there, including me. And those who have went are rich people, I think. Well, just kidding. But yeah, Las Vegas holds the CES Consumer Electronics Show in its convention hall. So, guys, yes. So, and at that event, many companies hold their own keynotes in which they launch or announce particular products. And one of those companies is LG. So, LG launched its LG G Flex 2. Well, at least announced its LG G Flex 2, and it's a worthy successor to the LG G Flex. Well, the LG G Flex 2 features the same flex as that of the LG G Flex first generation, and it has upgraded screen with 1080p display instead of a 720p display with a pixel density of 403 ppi. Also, it features a Snapdragon 810 octa-core processor with 2 GHz of clock speed, and that's blazing cheetah fast. Well, octa-core Snapdragon 810 2 GHz is equals to blazing fast speeds. Well, can't say, but yeah, and it features Android 4.5 5.0 Lollipop. Well, that OS is a great OS, and I love it. Also, it features 13 megapixel rear facing camera with autofocus and optical image stabilization, and the laser autofocus, not only normal autofocus, the laser autofocus. And the phone also features 2 gigabytes or 3 gigabytes of RAM depending on where you live and what type you pick up. Also, the phone has a 2.1 megapixel front facing camera for you selfie people. 2.1 megapixel front facing camera, and also it has a 3000 milliampere battery, which is a downgrade from the previous version. But let's see how it stacks up when it arrives in AHD HQ, or will it? Well, second question is the more appropriate answer to the first question. Well, yeah, I think it will not arrive in AHD HQ anytime, but still, it has got some grunt on paper. It's blazing fast, and also the main feature or the stand-alone feature of that phone, that of the self-healing back, is very great. And now LG claims that it has better self-healing capabilities, and that means you can see the self-healing with your eyes, and it will self-heal within moments, and that's pretty good because I tend to scratch my phone very much, and self-healing means awesomeness. Yeah. So 1080p screen, great. Not 2K, really disappointed. 30 megapixel camera, great. Laser autofocus, great. Image quality, I can't tell. And 30 megapixel means quite good, but still I can't tell what type of images it will produce. And 3000 milliampere battery, I think it will last you for days. That ugly LG skin, I hate it. That is the most disappointing part. Seriously. LG. The frills of the LG skin, I love it, but I still hate the skin. LG, improve your skin. I seriously tell you, please improve your skin that you put on Android these days. It's just freaking bad. I hate it. Yes, just because I hate it. Also, the phone flexes. So basically, it's another iPhone 6 Plus then. Those were my first impressions about the LG G Flex second generation or LG G Flex 2. And that's about it. And I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.